Hello there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we are going to see the use of smart checkbox to track sales performance. Uh, as is indicated in this table, here once the sales performance is now 0, and once we just click this checkbox, it will actually track the amount of sales and the volume of sales in terms of the monetary terms. So we looked at this today in this topic. It also generates three different colors for different categories. For example, the first 5 items are books. It will actually display different colors. For CD again, and for DVD, so it will display three different colors. That is the first one, and the second one is also just highlight the whole thing across uh, product category and sales. So today we look into this important tracking using a smart checkbox. So first let's get to the purpose of this channel, which is Get Data Solution provide different tools including dashboard and other data management tools like the one we are going to see today. So the purpose of this channel is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic reports, to reduce costs or to increase revenue, to increase productivity, to manage projects, to manage business, as well as to learn new skills. So that is the purpose. So let's get back to our data here. As I've already said, it will just track the sales performance. Now three items are actually highlighted here, and as per their sales, we have already received 1000 from the sales of those items. If I simply click this checkbox, it will actually highlight as well as increase the number of products sold as well as the amount of sales here. Let's check it. If I just click these items, so far 12 products have already sold, and we have able to generate $3,000. If I keep on just ticking this, it will actually show the performance like this one. Here we have also an instruction for this. For example, it says that insert the product category and sales amount in our sheet. Okay, that's the first one. The second one, click on checkbox as soon as it is sold, as I've already did like this one. Then the number of items sold and the amount automatically calculated, and zero automatically colored as well. So we'll save it and ensure it will generate smart checkbox that automatically updates the product sold as well as the sales amount. Here is the benefit of this tool. It is easy and convenient to enter data, as we have already seen here. We simply write our product name, product category if there is a categorization, and sales amount. Then we simply tick this checkbox so that it will actually calculate our performance. Assume if we have a number of products like 50 or 100 products, so we can easily get the performance of our sales with simple click on this checkbox. So that is it, and it automatically update the number of products sold, the sales amount, generate coloring, as well as this will save time and avoid manual calculation. That's why we have set in our previous purpose. It saves times. It's also convenient, and it's also keep data quality as well. So this is recommended for sales managers, sales teams, salespersons, business organizations, business owners, small business owners, as well as retail sellers can use this checkbox so that they can easily track their performance. So we have seen this one, and let's come back again to this one, which actually highlight across all the rows, including the product, the category, and the sales. Just before that, please consider subscribing to this channel. Here is the reason why you should subscribe. You'll get products and tools that will actually help you to manage your business, to manage your project if you are actually working in the project or on the project, to manage your work, to help you to automate your activity, to increase your productivity, to learn new skill, as well as help you to make informed decision. That's the reason why you should subscribe to this channel, Get Data Solution. So you will get all those benefits. So I'll encourage you to subscribe to this channel, as well as share it to your contacts so that they can actually benefit from these tools. If you want to construct a such checklist, you can follow these 11 steps where it is clearly indicated how to go to construct this, or you can actually use the existing template. But if you actually want to construct it, you can follow these steps and construct for yourself. So let's come back to the tool itself again, which is a smart checkbox. If you click here, it will automatically highlight here across all the rows and calculate again the total. Can you see it for books, product 1 and product 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are highlighted. Yeah, it shows that 5 products are already sold with this amount of sales. If I click again for the second categories, so it will highlight everything, and so we have sold all our product now. So that is it. So this smart checkbox will actually help us to make analysis on our sales in terms of the product we sold and in terms of the revenue generated. So earlier we have claimed that if you subscribe to this channel, you'll get product that will actually automate your activity or manage your business as well as manage your product. So in today's topic, where we have seen is smart checkbox, I think that will actually realized. So that is it. Thank you very much for coming to this channel, Get Data Solution, where you can get different tools to just track your business and projects. And once again, thank you for coming, and bye bye.